welcome to my channel. It's me, magdamag tayo nga. And welcome back. We're still here in Spain, but we have a special. What is special today?
Special.
We will exploring the.
An exploring area. Yeah, inderdaad.
Exploring the Valencia, España. Ganon. At tayo ay nag-park dito dahil free park. Sabi ng jowa, free parking. Kaso magabok. Magabok lang. And then pupunta tayo sa where we're gonna go. In the center.
Yeah,
but first we will go to the tram station.
Yeah, but the question is, will the tram run? Because I don't see anything running yet.
But if it's not run, maybe they have a bus.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, they have a bus. That's a tram. Maybe we can ask someone. They speak English for sure here. Yeah? But they have someone waiting for the tram also.
Oh, no.
Let's go! Dito na kami sa tram station. At nakabili na rin kami ng ticket worth of 8 euros. Almost 9 euro for 10 trips. So, pwede kami mag-share dalawa doon. Ang sabi niya, share daw kami sa 10 trips. Waiting tayo ng... Huy, Scott, this is our train?
No, number 4.
Ah, number 4. So, we will wait. Oh, Valencia tram. Still 7 minutes. Ayan po. So, 7 minutes siya. Tram number 4. So, waiting pa tayo. Malapit lang siya sa aming parking. Doon kami nag-park. Para makatipid ang jowa. Charet. Dito tayo sa Valencia. Nakasakay na po tayo sa ating tram. Iba pa rin talaga ang pagbago ka sa bagong city. Grabe. Nakakamangha. Ang guwapat, ang gaganda nila dahil. Grabe. Artistahin. Yan yung tram nila. Oh. Ayan po yung tram nila ng Valencia. Ayan. Pupunta po tayo sa iba't ibang tourist spot. Sabi ko sa jowa, yun na lang mga fa-famous. Huwag na yung masyadong ganon. Yung ganon. Kaya sunod-sunuran tayo sa jowa. Pero nagbibigay din tayo ng input. Kailangan na natin magbibigay ng input. Hindi lang sa Google. Siyempre, nakukuha natin yun sa iba't ibang social media platforms. Charot! Diba nga, yung mga bahay kakaiba. Ay, ang tram. Nagkasalubong. Ayun yung mga station nila sa taas. Ayan, may number 4, 6, 8. Churbanes. Kung saan tayo pupunta. Saan ba tayo galing? Oh, ha? Valencia. Wala pa tayo sa mismo city proper. Diba? We will go down? Oh, this is the last train. It's the last train. If this is the party, I wanna hold you. There's gonna be nag-ikot-ikot tayo. Dito tayo bababa na. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo lalakad dito. Pontefosta. Pak! Oh, pak si ate. Pontefosta. Ay, nakikita na agad ako mga kamimay. Castilyong buhangin. Charet. Pupunta tayo dyan. Dyan tayo dadaan sa bridge. Ayan na ang bridge. Over the bridge. over the bridge. Tingnan natin kung ano nasa baba nito, Day. Ah, park. It's a park. I thought it's a water. Grabe, napakainit. Ang sakit sa balat. Masakit sa balat ang Gnet. Buti na lang naglagay ako sa mukha ng ano, ng Pampa Emelatec. Sunscreen, Diyos ko Lord. Hirap sumabay sa jowa. Gusto niya talaga laging mainit sa araw. Pagod na ang aking skin sa araw. Ang jowa gusto pa rin niya. Hirap sumabay. Minsan di ko na carry. Rireklamo na ako, Day. Masarap naman kaso sa ating mga tradisyonal na mga Pilipino, yung araw ay talagang sunggab talaga ang jowa sa araw. At saka pag sobra kang nasa araw, mabilis kang mukhang makatanda, Day. Diba? Kaya super sunscreen talaga ako, Day. Mag-create ako ng sunscreen na hindi nakakatanda. Charot. Diba nga? Protection is better than cure. Kanan! Ito na siya, Ayan, napakaganda. Pag bago ka pa lang dito, maganda. Diba? Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa daan. May nagpa-piano. Ay, violin. May nagpa-piano. Piano, violin.
So right upstairs.
Yeah, I see. I see the trap. Yeah, dito yung the best. This is the old town already.
Yeah, it's upstairs.
Hi. Is your first time here or second time?
Second time.
You can go here. You can walk over there. Huwag na tayo isa lang ang view niyan. Diba? May mga souvenir shop agad, restaurant paglabas mo. May ATM. Diba? Against the lights lang tayo, mga kamimay. Walang Juraraw. Let's go explore the Valencia. Later we drink and we eat. Are you hungry already?
I want a pizza very soon.
Yeah, we can find some pipiripi.
Wait, the old murals are here too, I think.
Old Euros?
Murals, the city walls.
Murals?
Mural, yeah.
Here.
Oh my god, in that house.
Which house?
Right in the house there, I think that's the old city wall.
Okay. Which?
You see there? In the house, a lot of bricks on the way.
Oh yeah, this one. Then we can go back.
This part is
the old.
They make a house of the old mural.
But they gone. Siyempre, di mawawala ang postcard for Valencia. How much it? 50 cents? Not so bad.
Kijk, wat is deze leuk? Niet alleen maar dit is.
Yeah. Valencia magnet. Yes. Pambukas de lata. Ang cute naman nito. Skatos, nice. Valencia,
Red Network moet je nou zo'n hele box opzoeken. I think the postcards from San Marino, they never arrive.
Valencia. Meron sila mga socks. Yes, of course, it's a shopping area. Lahat ay magsha-shopping. Walang hindi magsha-shopping. Charot. Let's go. Yes, another tower of Valencia. Since ang dami mabibili, mga accessories, bazaar.
Felix.
Ang mga bahay, ang gaganda. Grabe. I like that kind of veranda. Simple. Ang ganda ng mga to. Oh. Gusto ko. Kaso 5 euro. Gusto ko yung maliit lang. Yung parang Barcelona yung nabili natin sa Pineda. Tsaka yung ganito. Oh. Ganda. Diba? Ganda. Ang ganda ng mga souvenir. Nakita nyo yan. Ito pa ang mga souvenir. Valencia. Ang cute na ito, oh. May pangalan. Valencia. Diba? Oh, pak. Oh, kung gusto mo naman ng bag with Dior Emilatec, Valencia. Oh, 1 euro. Wow. Tingnan nyo. Bungad pa lang tayo ng Valencia. That's the Kirk. Under kanya, no? I see here from here. Yeah, I like to alley also. Let's go to the Esquinita de Amores.
Wow.
Plaza de Amores. Charot. This is the Kirk. Oh. Let's go there. Let's go to the church. Pupunta tayo sa church, mga kamime. This is the Plaza de Church. Metsus. Oh. Ganda. Oh. Ganda doon, oh. Diba? 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 Let's go to the fountain. Fountain of youth. And fountain of all the fountain. Oh, diba? Back to back. Can you photo me in the fountain? Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados. Señora Desamparados. May palang pangalan niya. Wow. Nice. This is a cathedral, right? That's nice. Nice, this murals. Walang duda kaganda ang Valencia. Unang bungad pa lang. At least pumunta tayo dito, hindi weekend. Dahil the cathedral is closed. But at least the Señora de Desperados, it's open. It's nice, yeah? We can go straight here. Disconnecting to other side. You know? Connect. Yeah. What you say? It's beautiful? Which is beautiful? The plaza. There's a cathedral.
Wow.
This is nice. Bakit ang dami nilang tao doon? That's where we've been, yeah? Tempo Jubilar. Peregrinos de Esperanza. Valencia po to. Oh. Pila Balde. Continue exploring the Valencia. Valenciaga. Correct. We go here? What room? What we can see here? Let's go. Yeah, Plaza Redona. Wait. Wow. Bahayan talaga siya, paikot.
Oh, wow.
Paikot siya, oh. Paikot siya, day. La Redona Tapas and Souvenirs. It's like, this is old. It's really like an old. Paella. Mapapaella ka. Diba nga? So, ang jowa nandoon na. Ayun na siya. Ayun ang jowa. Hi! Vestopazo Marimar. Ekot-ekot tayo sa Google, di ba? Todo 55. Hindi ako magsha-shopping dito, day. Doon ako magsha-shopping sa amin sa mura-mura. Helado soft. Oh, soft ice cream. Dukla. Are you Dukla? Gusto ko kwek-kwek. Ang daming souvenir. Souvenir shop. You think so? Where are we gonna get the postcard? In the post. Yeah, in the post. And then we can go to the municipal in the post. Yan, no? Valencia Photo. That's the market. Oh, wow. Scotcha! Wait for mine. Oh, yeah. You go na tabacos. I will. Nice. Grabe. Ang ganda. Let's go! Pupunta tayo sa indoor market. Grabe. Dami pa rin turista. Ice cream. Pupunta tayo sa indoor market. That's the indoor market, right? Bedbida. This Mercat Centro, the famous indoor market, the biggest in Europe, is in Valencia. Valenciaga. Charot. Elmoy. Yes, naglalakad na siya papasok. Let's go inside. Very different in Netherlands, in Rotterdam. The indoor market in Valencia. Ay, hindi siya mabaho. It's not sticky. Stinky. Wow. Maybe do you find something here? We go inside. Dami mabibili, mga gulay din, mga ham. Oh. Diba?
Favoriete tomaat?
Mga hams, Kat. Ang jowa ko, bibili daw ng veggies. Ba't ka bibili? Why you don't touch, please?
Don't touch?
They said don't touch. No. Hello.
Let's try to touch that.
This is the fruit area.
Ja, ik vind hem echt mooi hoor.
Evorta. There's a fruit area. See? Ang dami mabibili. May mga dried fish din. May kung anik-anik. May snacks. Pizza. Herbs. Maybe they have herbs here. For potato. For patatas bravas. Gulay-gulay. Let's go outside now. Scott? This way again. Because we go to the...
Yeah, maybe we look in the other...
Oh, this way. Helmoy. Ito mo yung taas, oh. Look, the ceiling.
Ja, dat prachtig. Je moet gewoon een dubbele hal, hè?
Yeah. Oh, kijk ko, the chicken.
Check out, chicken.
Going home. Yes. Look at this cut off. Nice. Wow. Valencia.
Kijk, is dat from Bilbao? San Sebastian?
I think so.
That will be quite there.
I'm not that hungry. The cheesecake. The famous cheesecake in San Sebastian. I love the cheesecake. That's the best cheesecake that I tasted.
En dan moet je daar weer nog een keertje kopen. I don't know. Oh, kaas, de lastige kaas. Je hebt ook al een tijdje gehoord. We transported to the floor of the dining room.
This is nice.
Yeah.
You know, Parmasha again. So much taxi. That's Moya.
What are you doing?
We are here now as Correos.
Correos de España. En dan?
Valencia. We will put for your hours.
En papa.
For Papa. With the FF. This is a Toro Stadium. Yan. Jowa Abangers. Hanggang doon. Ayan o. Toro Stadium. Ayun. Toro. O, ayun. Kita nyo mga kamimay? Tignan nyo to. Ayan o. Toro Show. Ayun. Tapos panik mo doon. Oh, wow. Wow. After the Toro. Oh. We will go to the tram. Here? We'll go to the tram. Let's go to the tram. Oh. Pagod na si kami, May. Walk pa more, Scott. My God. Ito ang trip ng aking jowa. Yung araw at ano. Yung lakad, Diyos kong idades. Waka idades, day. Young and heart dapat lagi dito sa kasama ko. Hindi, are you not feeling tired? Ay, a little daw. My goodness. Grabe. Ang pagod din kami, may. Pero maganda naman yung place. Ang mga bahayan. Ayun na ang jowa, oh. Grabe. Pagoda. Ay, ito sa tram is also a metro. Kalorki talaga itong jowa. Hindi ko na maintindihan. Dito na tayo sa loob. Mukhang bago. Nazaret? Nazaret. Nazaret, Nazaret, Nazaret. Ay, ang ganda pala, oh. Ayun. Oh, pak. Dito na po tayo sa Nazaret. Going to Nazaret. Nazaret. Nazaret, Nazaret. Nazaret, Nazaret, Nazaret. Ay, ang baba ng spore nila. Bago lang siya, day. Bago. Oh. Ito na ang metro. Ay, ang layo. Visit, layo. Hype na to. Ang liit. Nazaret, Nazaret, Nazaret. Goodbye. Wow, this going. We were going here, the museum. This is yeah, this is the last metro, last tram.
Yeah.
What's the name of this? Yeah, no. Yeah, shoot at Arts and Justica.
Later part we will go back also here.
Yeah, totally. Yeah. I don't wanna walk. Uy! Ang sarap. Sarap ng hangin. That's nice. It looks like Rotterdam.
Yeah, it looks like the purple is maybe reconstruction, but it's also nice.
Been in.
Yeah.
We can walk Easter. What's the? Yeah. Where is the entry?
Maybe. I want to go left inside the mall for the people.
This is the mall. Oh, here. Let's go. Let's go to the mall. No. Still. There's a mall. Yeah. McDonald's. California other side.
Yeah.
You know, they have Accesso. Let's go to the mall.
Let's go to the people.
It's a restaurant area, this one. We'll have a fountain. Beep. Oh wow. Welcome to Rotterdam, Charat. Nice. Snips. Nice, ah. Nice yung mga ombre. Let's go.
Okay, masaya. Oh wow. Tell me, baby, are you what? But hey, but
Basta.
Dale. Oh. Okay, let's go.
Yes! Nandito naman kami sa museum. Wow. May arco. Oh, wow. Nabubulok nga lang ang kanilang Emiratek. Museo de les Cienes. Chemenelin. Yan. Where you wanna go? Oh. Oh, this is close. Hi. The red art. In the Museum of Chumenilin. Raquel Valencia. Is in Valencia. Oops. Oh wow. Ooh. Hi. That's Moy. Oh wow. Maganda to sa gabi, Day. Oh, diba? Only in Valencia. Oh. Maganda siya sa gabi. Wow. Wow. Oh, diba? International, ha? Ang ganda nito, lalo na sa gabi. I think they have, you can swim. It's like a pool. A big pool. Wow, Valencia. It looks like I'm not in Valencia. Grabe, museum. They have oceanographic museum. But I think inside dating yan. Yeah. Wow. This is longer than. I mean, it's long time. You can swim here also. It looks like
you can try, but I think they will pick you up very quick.
And Politsi capture. Look at this. Sa malapitan mga kami.
I like the architecture.
Grabe. Plain building. Plain place. Naging tourist spot. And dito na kami sa Papay ng aking jowa. Nakakita kami ng Papay's. Papabalik na kami ng hotel kung saan kami nag-stay. Wala na kami sa Valencia. Kaya magpapagasolin na kami dito sa may Carrefour. Kain muna kami mga kami. Bye-bye! Kain muna tayo ng Papay. Lekker? Lekker Papay's! Woo!